Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. This is Nathalie. Alright, so I made this sweater pillow and this pillow out of an upcycled sweater, and I've decided that I wanted to make some tassels. So I made the first tassel out of just this slubby yarn that I've had forever. Probably got it in a estate sale, or a friend got it. I think a friend gave it to me. And so I did that, and I thought, well, it's too yellow all by itself. Then I made this one, and so I added, this is from Walmart, just some cotton. I threw the label away, I'm sorry. Just cotton twine, but it's in the crochet section, and I like that better. It's actually more the color of this, but it's kind of a little limpy. Now, I had bought this first, and it's too white. I know, it's like the Goldilocks thing. Can you not find something to be happy with? Oh well. Okay, so I decided to, so I made this one. And it's all three of the yarns. I think I like that, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, let me just say, again, I'm not a professional. There are lots of tassel maker people out there. Mine is not the best way, or the only way, or the fastest way, or the cheapest way. But I'm glad you're here anyway, whatever way. So I've cut just a piece. This is about 12 inches long, and then this is the cotton one, that doesn't have any fluffy or nubby. It's just plain. And then I'm gonna cut one that's about probably 24 inches long ish. We'll set those to the side. So now I also have a little crochet hook and some scissors, a couple of different pairs of scissors. So I want to do, and I'm going to use this. Now I know it says, do what you love. Seriously, do what you love. And love what you do. I mean, I just love what I do. So, anyway. I'm going to take all three of these yarns. And I'm going to do, for this one, I did 15 wraps around. You can make it however big you want to make it. So I'm going to hold this. And it doesn't have to be this book, okay, or this size. This book is about 4.5 inches. So you could take a piece of cardboard, or if you want to measure off a whole bunch of 9-inch pieces and cut them one at a time, you could sure do that, but I'm too lazy to do that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I lost count because I was going to do this to myself. Alright, so let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bring this off to the end and cut those. Alright, scoot that out of the way. And then I'm going to take my little shorter piece, the little 10-inch piece or 12-inch piece. Just kind of lift that up a little bit. Tuck that under. Bring it up to the top. So in this knot, what I'm going to do, there's like a plain knot. I'm going to lap it through one more time. And tie it good and tight. And do the same thing. Loop through and one more time. And now I have a good secure knot. Alright, so now then, I'm going to clip this off across the bottom. Good sharp scissors helps a lot. There we go. Okay, I've got this kind of pulled down even. I'm not worried about this at the bottom. I'll give that a haircut in a second. And then tie me a knot. And I want this one to be longer than that. And I want it on the bottom side, so I'm just going to loop it like that so it'll work its way to the bottom. If I'd have tied that knot a different way, let's do that. Let me just do that. And I'm going to twist that to where that tail will be hanging off at the bottom. There we go. And it doesn't matter whether it's to the right side or to the left side of your knot. But once this is at the bottom, all right, so this is it right here, and it's hanging longer so I can know which one it is. Keep these out of the way, and then I want to just wrap going down and over the top of that long tail one that I just put in there. Okay, so there's my original one right there. You can see it's long. I've got a hold of this one, and then this is the long one, and then that's where it came out at the bottom. And I'm just tying a square knot, and pretty firm. Now I'm going to do this one with the little 2 loops through. Now I'll pull some of these down over the top of that. I've got a crochet hook, I can do that, and just pull that where it kind of hides the knot underneath. It's not really important, but it could be if you're all about that. Okay, so now there it is. It's pretty cute. And I want to even the bottom of it up, or even it off, or something. All right, there it is, and I'm going to attach it to the corner of my pillow, and I'm going to use a crochet hook to loop into the fiber. Let me scoot this way. I'm going to start a live video on my Facebook, my Haul Closet Facebook, in just a little bit. And I'm going to do this tutorial over there. So if you haven't been to my blog, go to my Haul Closet, subscribe over there, and get on my mailing list, and go to my Facebook channel, Facebook page, my Haul Closet. Alright, so pushing that through. I could probably sew this, but since we're doing this sweater stuff, that it's easy to get that back through there. I say it's easy, sort of kind of easy. I'm going to do the double overlap knot like that, and one more time. Okay, and the other thing, I could just cut this off right there, but I don't want to. So I'm going to go take my crochet hook, pull that through, and then clip that off, make sure that I don't cut my sweater. There they are. Alright, I'm going to make 2 more. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.